Welcome to the Uneducated Man channel, where we give our uneducated opinion on everything from travel to finance to entertainment and anything else I can think of to put in here. I'm Mike, your uneducated host. So, why uneducated man, you ask? Excellent question, person I just made up for that. Well, because technically I am. No college, no high school, no kindergarten. Just my mom, a pile of books that she bought to teach me everything, and some family members that were really good about teaching me skills that I could use to make my way in life. So, technically I'm uneducated, but I'm not stupid. I've had a lot of different jobs. Mortgage, commercial fisherman.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Logistics, professional cook. Painter, carpenter, construction worker, mobile mechanic.
Alright, that's it! Right! Oh,
Different kind of fisherman on a shrimp boat. A large online retail establishment.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Yeah. So, the point is, I've racked up a lot of skills and knowledge, experience, and some tools and stuff over the years. I'm always trying to find ways to improve myself and improve my skill set and things that I can do to make money. And YouTube's been really, really good for that. YouTube's been great for that, except for two things. It's almost the same thing, but it's still kind of two things. One, there's so many different videos, like thousands and thousands of videos. So how do you sift through and find the one that's actually right about what you want? Dude. And number two, a lot of the videos, especially the ones that are dealing with things like how to make money online and everything else that we're all trying to figure out how to do. A lot of these videos seem to kind of assume that, I don't know, that everybody has like a computer programming degree or is real fluent in this. I can barely get my PlayStation to work half the time, so that's not me. And I also don't have $10,000 to throw at a business. Those are all kind of things I want to address with this channel, with this video. Because yeah, tons of money and all these other resources and perfect credit that they think that everybody has. Anyway, since I've jumped into a whole bunch of other stuff already this year, trying to learn how investments work with things like Weevil and Anchor USD, trying to get a print-on-demand store going, a couple other things, a lot of other things. Since I've been doing all that, I thought, why not YouTube?
why not indeed?
I am not a great teacher, so I'm not going to try to teach you how to do anything on here. What I am going to do is I'm going to try to, I'm going to try a bunch of this stuff. I'm going to see how difficult it is. I'm going to see how difficult it is to learn. I'm going to see how much time did it take me. How much money did it cost me? Were free things really free? And I'm going to see if it worked. I'm going to see if I could get it to work for me. I might do some product reviews. I might do some movie reviews. I might just throw my uneducated opinion at anything I think is funny. I mean, the sky's the limit. So, I'm going to leave links in the description below for any videos or any kind of like resources or anything that I use to figure out whatever it is that I'm attempting to do. We'll put as much information in there as possible so I can kind of spread on everything I've learned to you. So, with a lot of work and a little luck, I get better at making these videos and I'll be able to put them out more often and everything. Reviewing, trying things, doing whatever attempts at whatever I can, really. So, feel free to help me out by liking and subscribing to the channel. If there's anything you want me to try, leave it in the comment. Until the next one, because if an uneducated man can do this, so can you.